Hey, good morning. I am back to work. Got this regular customer here. We're going to be doing the whole house. There's a pool cage over there. We're going to be doing that. And we're going to be doing this nice sized driveway here. Going to start the job right there on the corner, work our way around, rinse all the way back, get this driveway done once the hose is all the way over here. Hose management, okay? We're using downstream injection today. This is our 200 feet of line right here that we keep in the storage reel. And this is your downstream injector, okay? I run a 2.3 orifice on my injector. Hold on a minute. I can't do two things at once. Well, I can, but actually I can do 5 things at once. I'm a drummer. All right, then we run our line all the way over there, and it's in that tank. Okay, I do make homemade filters. Let me grab one of these out of here. This one just needs a new barb on the top, but you just take a piece of PVC sprinkler with 1/2-inch threads. You get you a 1/2-inch insert there with a 1/4-inch hose barb on there. Put you some 1-inch PVC in there and put you some caps on there, and you got yourself a nice filter. Just don't rinse them out in the street, because you will have a problem with sand going in there and screwing up your injector, okay? All right, we're going to be flying the drone today. We're going to get started right here. So let's get after it. Wait a minute. Let's look at these tips first. This is a 0060 soap tip, and this is a V-Jet 2560 V-Jet soap tip. This is a 40-15 wide rinse, and that's a 0015 wash jet tip. These two turn the soap off. These two turn the soap on. Like the Karate Kid, wax on or wax off. All right, very simple operation. Let's get after it.
Boom, 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 boom. I'm gonna shoot you right down, right off of your feet, and take you home.
All right, as you can see, we're all done down the side there. Look at this drone, man. It loves following me around the yard. Come on, dude. All right, now we're gonna rinse from here down. We're gonna get the hose all on this side of the yard, then we're gonna get this driveway done, all right? Let's get after it, shall we?
With me and take you in my house. Boom, 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 boom. How, how. I love the way you strut up and down that floor. And when you whisper in my ear, tell me that you love me. Boom, 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 boom. How. talk, and you whisper in my ear, tell me that you love me. I love that talk. me out right off of my feet and take you home with me and take you in my house. Boom, 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 boom. Ha, 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 ha.
Alright, we got the driveway all done, the front of the house all the way down the side. Got the guide, cut the grass, got all that straightened out. Turbo nozzle the weeds out of the cracks, and then the satisfying rinse. Let's get after it. That's how you do it. Beautiful looking driveway. This curb all cleaned up here. Everything's done all the way to there. The long guys were able to get their job done. It's always good to work together out in the field, you know. Everybody's got a job to do. All right, now we're going to come down the side here and right into the pool cage. First thing we're going to do is get this side of the house SH down. We're going to go around the pool cage there. Let's go check out and see if we got any algae on the outside. It's going to be easy. I see algae inside, yeah. Okay. Let's see what we got outside. Beautiful yard. No, it looks pretty good. We'll hit it anyway. They're paying me a good price to do this. And you know what? Preventative maintenance. Get some chlorine on there and get it cleaned up. It'll look nice. All right, let's get after it. And that's how you do it. Beautiful pool cage, pool deck. This thing is ready for the 4th of July. We'll see you guys on Monday after the holiday. Happy 250th anniversary to America. Let's get after it. Enjoy your weekend. Okay, the last part of the lesson. You got to rinse the gear out after every job, every day. Watch all that soap that comes out of there. There it is. Now, if you leave all this stuff in your line overnight or over the weekend, it's just going to corrode the hell out of everything. Rinse all your injector off. Always rinse that filter off up in the air. Don't put it on the ground if you make one. Okay, you put this in the fresh water. Now, there's not much in there, I'll grant you that, but it's enough to screw up your injector over the weekend. Watch, here it comes. All that SH is going to go in your water, so you don't want that. All right? Helpful tips for everybody. Maintain the gear, and it'll maintain you. All right? Happy 4th of July. See you Monday.
Well, the party is on.